Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. Okay, I will ask some questions to you. What do you observe in your surrounding areas? Do you observe anything first? What do you observe? You can observe some things. Vehicles, human beings, but old people, elder people, girls, babies, small kids. Do you observe these all? Next, vehicles, animals. Next, plants. Do you observe plants? In our garden also, plants are there. Our house beside, or near our house, or street, everywhere. Where you are going, plants are there. Yes or no? Where you are going, plants are there. Is there or not there? Okay, yes, is there. All plants are equal. Do you observe? All are equal? No. Some are small, some are short, some are very long also are there. Yes? Okay, very long. Okay? Yes? We have observed different types of plants. Different types. Short, small, long, thick, thin. Yes or no? Different types of plants we are observing our daily life. Okay? Today we are discuss about plant life. Okay? Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant life. L-I-F-E. Plant life. How we are growing? First baby, kid, youngest, young, old people. Like that we are growing life. Plants also have a life. First seed, after baby plant, growing, small plant become a big tree. Like that are their plant life. First of all, what you are doing? You have to take one pot. Put soil in the pot. You can take like the pot. In that pot you have to fill the sand. Okay. After you take some seeds. See, this is turmeric seeds. Okay. You have to put in the seeds in the pot. Put the seeds in the pot. Okay. You have to fill the full soil. After what you will do? You have to pour water. Okay? You have to pour what? Regularly. You have to pour regularly to the water. And where you will keep? In fridge, kitchen, bedroom. Where you will keep? We have to keep in the sunlight. Okay? We have to keep in the sunlight. Okay? Then they will grow. Day by day increase to plant. I will rather take the pot. What you will do next? Fill the half of soil. Okay? Put the seed inside. After, fill the full of soil. Fill the pot. Fill of the soil. After what you will do? Pour the water. Then they will become you have to pour water regularly. Today we are keeping this, next year you won't pour. How we are taking everyday food? Then you have to pour regularly to water. Okay? Okay? You have to keep on the sunlight. You have pour regularly water. Few days after, what you will observe? Seed is there inside? That will come roots first of all. First what will come? Roots. Roots will come into under the pot. Roots will come. After, small leaf will come outside. Day by day they will increase. they will increase to stem. Leaves will come day by day. Like branches also will increase. Okay, like leaves will come. Okay, leaves or more leaves come after, what will do? What you observe? Flowers will come. Flowers. Some days after, flower will become a seed. Some days after, flower become a seed. Okay, inside in back side only seed. Fruit is there. That's a fruit is there. Okay, like that will plant will grow. Okay, what are they? Root. First of all, root. Roots will increase after stem. STEAM, stem. Next, leaves. LEAVES, leaves. Next, flower. FLOWER, flower. Next, fruit. FRUIT. Like plant will grow day by day. Plant will increase. Okay, I'll show you how it is will come. Few days after, plant will come like that. See, like that plant will come. See, first of all, stem. If I take out the plant, means plant will die. That's why I won't take out to you for now. Yeah, why? Because roots will become strong in the under the pot. If I take out, means root will die and plant also will die. That's why I won't take now. Okay, see, leaves, and see, this is the stem. These are the leaves. See, and here flowers also are there. See, flowers in the down become a fruit is there small. They will increase to fruit. Okay, see, leaves, branches, leaf, branches after flower. Do you observe clearly? See, like that will become. Few days after, like will come. 1 day, 2 day, not will come, Amma. Madam told, you can take pot, you can fill the soil. When madam didn't come the flower, fruit. Some days after it will come. Okay, some days after it will come. You can also do like that at home. Now you are free now. Full day you are stay at home only. Now you can do. You can take small pot, small bowl, anything. Waste things are there at home. You can take small and you can fill the soil and put on the seeds. You can regularly means you can observe how become a plant. Okay, this is the parts of plant. Plant will become a trees. Different types of trees will come. Anything you are taking, some seeds will come, climber, creeper, shrubs, like will come. Okay, parts of different types of plants are there. First one is a tree. What is tree? TREE, tree. Tree. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Next one, shrubs. SHRUBS, shrubs. Small plant with more branches like cotton, hibiscus. Do you observe regularly hibiscus and daisies? Plants are there. Those are shrubs. Okay. Next one, herbs. HERBS, herbs. Herbs are examples. Tulsi. Every house is there tulsi plant. Okay. Coriander, mint, grass, these all are example to herbs. And climbers, CLIMBERS, climbers means money plant. They will grow full of the, they will go climb to everywhere, where like climbers. Next, creepers, CREEPERS, creepers. Creepers will grow in ground only. Like climber is there, but they will grow ground only. Means fruit or vegetable, they are very weight have. That's why they will grow in ground only. Like example, pumpkin, watermelon. Do you see? Pumpkin, it's a more weight. That's why they will grow in ground only. These are the different types of plants. Different types of plants. In this lotus, water plants also is there. Okay, this is the plant life. Okay, I hope you all understand this one. Okay, thank you children.